In 1804, this town was born from the roots of revolution. Scio sworn 200 years of history we celebrate, where the past and the future integrate. The Allegheny County hills embrace a parade of memories fills the space. The floats and banners, colors bright, we honor Scio in the summer light. Come to the car show, see the shine, classic rides from different times. Family games and laughter echo clear. Scio, we hold each other dear. Generations gather around the fire, stories shared, dreams inspired. From the farms to the forest deep, at Scio we hold each other dear. Great people of this town stand tall, unity and pride the Scio call. With open arms and smiling faces, we honor our roots and cherished places. Come to the car show, see the shine, classic rides from different times. Family games and laughter echo clear. At Scio we hold each other dear. Come to the car show, see the shine, classic rides from different times. Family games and laughter echo clear. At Scio we hold each other dear. Generations gather round the fire, stories shared, dreams inspired. Family games and laughter echo clear. In Scio we hold each other dear. Right down Main Street, watch it flow, young and old and joyful glow. The good food blessings from our kin, church bells ring, let's all join in. 200 years we've come so far, Scio heritage a shining star. Friends and family hearts displayed, together in this grand parade. Picnic blankets on the grass, stories shared from present past. Laughter echoes through the trees, together making memories. Local friends with hearts of gold, legends new and legends old. Work so hard to bring us cheer, celebrate our Scio dear. In the shadow of the steeple, love, unity of the people. Community, we're standing tall, hand in hand, we got it all.